Okay, so today we're going to be working on this 36-inch walk behind by Husqvarna, and it has the Kawasaki FB460V engine. And so what's wrong with this machine is it's been running very bad. Like, it'll start run, but when it's under load, like cutting grass, it'll die. So there's probably like a blockage in the carburetor, so we're going to clean the carb today. Okay, so we have to get the carb off. Let's see, we're gonna start by unscrewing these like wing nuts or whatever. Let's see if you can, yep, take that off. And now you got your carb, which is right here. There we go. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Take this off. You're gonna need a ratchet, and let's see, I think it was an 11. Yeah, these are 11. So got okay, I'm gonna set the camera down for a second. Let's see. And there we go. So we will get the first one. Loosen this. There we go. Loosen that. And there's another one back here. There you go. So use your 11. I don't think you need an extension, I'm just using one. Yeah, should be able to take this bolt out. Here we go. One. Here's the second one. So there you go. Bolt. Cool. Now we need to disconnect the linkages here. So you have this one. Let's see, this is, here you go. Okay, let's get this first one off. Actually, let's see, get this linkage. Okay, let's see. Here you go. Boom. That goes off. And you get the second one. There you go. You get your carburetor off. Okay. So now we need a, let's see, maybe an 8mm. Okay, now you need a 12 to crack this nut off. So use a ratchet. Let's see. Ooh. And your nut comes off. Ooh. Now you can open it up. And you can see that it's a little dirty here. Okay. Set my carb down here. Okay, so now we have our carburetor. You have our float here. So on this carburetor, this part actually is broken, like this little like hinge thing. So it still works, but you have your float. You have your needle here. And we're going to spray this with carb cleaner. You will need carb and choke cleaner, and we have our throttle and choke assembly. So this is where the gas goes in. So we're going to spray this bad boy down. Give me 1 second. Let's see. This little hinge. I can get it. This should just move. Let's see if I can. Might have to give it a couple taps. Be careful, or you can break this little hinge like I did before. But let's see. Let's go. Couple taps. Yep. That gets it moving. Let's see. All right. See, now you can pull the floating pin out. Don't lose those. There we go. So we're gonna spray the jet in here. So let's just start with the outside. Let's spray the outside. Spray up in here. Now we're gonna get up in here. Spray in here. Very important. You're gonna spray like all the holes, jets, and orifices. Very important. Even down here where the needle sits. Try not to, spray this stuff when you have any like open wounds on your hand, because it's gonna like burn. Open that up. And here we go. There you go. Okay. Now we will put this back together. Make sure you don't get any small parts in there. Put this back together like this. Boop. See, now the needle sits in there. You're gonna put the needle back down. It should just sit. Yeah, there we go. You can push that here. You give it a couple love taps maybe here if you need to. Let's see. Don't be too brutal with this. Just tap gently so it seats. There we go. So as you can see, it's seated. This moves freely, very important. And I will. Oh. All right. Now we want to spray our bowl. That bowl wasn't even that bad. Spray the bowl. There we go. So now we're going to put this back together. There we go. Now we're going to get our there we go. Now we're going to get our screw. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go. There you get our screw. Boom. And tighten that down with the, I think it's the 12. There you go. 12. Okay, carburetor is back assembled. Yeah. So first we need to I'm gonna spray this off as well. Give me a second. Spray this off. There we go. Okay, so now what we gotta do is connect these back. So you got your choke and throttle. So put your throttle right here. Boom. Oh. See, make sure that's connected. There we. Oh my gosh. There we go. Now it's connected. And our choke. Put that back together. This keeps popping out. I don't know why. Here we go. Might have to. Give me a second. I might have to get this little bend. A little bend real quick. A little bend. There we go. Might have to put a little bend in there. There we go. And you get your choke. Boom. Okay. Now we're gonna connect this. See this little like rubber like pipe looking thing? Make sure this this white part goes on there as well. So let's see. Line up the screws. So and so. Yeah, there we go. Make sure these screws line up. There we go. Like so. There we go. Okay, now we're in there. And you know, get the bolt started and use your 12. Start them with hand so you don't cross thread. There you go. I'll probably do a video of like putting a complete carb and like tune-up kit or whatever on here, but that'll be for a different day. We're just trying to get our machine to run. Okay. There we go. All right, now we're gonna tighten it. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Righty tighty. There we go. Tighten that up. And all you gotta do is like make it snug. You don't need to use Hercules strength to get it on there. And you gotta put your fuel line. Okay. Now get your little air box. Put this back. Sits on top. There we go. And now, you know, use this fly. So much here. Boom. And that's how you put the carburetor back on. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be with you in the next video.